In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Afghanistan launches air strikes on ISIS positions inside Pakistan. High-level Kazakh delegations visit Kabul for Afghan-Kazakh Trade and Economic Forum and Product Exhibition. And Afghan and Iranian delegations participate in joint meeting of South Khorasan Helmand economic activists. Welcome to the news package. Is Saturday, the 4th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 30th of Juzah 1405, and the 20th of June 2026. The news details. The Minister of Defense has announced that several centers affiliated with ISIS group were targeted in airstrikes carried out in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the regions of Pakistan. Based on the ministry, the group had allegedly been used by certain hostile intelligence circles to plan and organize attacks against Afghanistan. The strikes were conducted in Gulistan, the area of Qala Abdullah district, as well as Shekarab Jungle Gardi, the area of Chauqi district in Balochistan province. As a result, joint centers used by criminal elements and ISIS affiliates were reportedly destroyed. The ministry further stated that location used for movement and coordination of the elements were also targeted during the operation. A high-ranking Kazakh delegation headed by Sarik Jomangarin, the Deputy Prime Minister of Kazakhstan, and the Ministry of National Economy arrived in Kabul. The purpose of the visit is to participate in Afghan-Kazakh Trade and Economic Forum and an exhibition showcasing Kazakh products and industrial manufacturing. The Minister of Industry and Commerce stated that the forum and exhibition will create new opportunities for commercial partnerships, expansion of bilateral trade, exchange of expertise, and attraction of investment between the private sectors of the two countries. The news continuation. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, visited the newly established Safwan cement production factory in Jabal Saraj, the district of Parwan province. His Excellency emphasized the importance of industrial and manufacturing investments, stating that the Islamic Emirate remains committed to providing suitable facilities and support for both domestic and foreign investors. According to the officials, once the project is operational, the factory will produce between 5,000 to 9,000 tons of cement on daily basis and will create employment opportunities for approximately 5,000 individuals. And ultimately, Maulvi Nur Muhammad Mutawakkil, the Consul General of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Mashhad, participated in a joint meeting of economic activists from South Khorasan and Helmand provinces. He stated that Helmand and South Khorasan are economically complementary regions and called for the establishment of joint working committee to further organize and strengthen trade and economic relations between the two provinces. That concludes today's short news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Broadcasting channel. Blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.